Hey friends, welcome back to Sarah's Herbs and Spices. Today I'm super excited to share with you one of the Philippines' most iconic and delicious dishes called chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is known for its savory, tangy flavor and it's made with just a handful of simple ingredients. Let's prepare the sauce. For this, you will need peppercorns, black pepper powder, cloves 3 pieces, garlic chopped 5 cloves, and then some brown sugar or cane sugar for that sweetness, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, or you may use any other vinegar, and then soy sauce, dark as well as light, 3 plus 2 tablespoons. Mix everything very well. Now the sauce is ready. Let's take the cleaned chicken and marinate with the sauce that we have just prepared. You may also add a few bay leaves to add to that flavor. Let's mix the chicken with the marinade. Mix it very well with your hands so that all the chicken pieces are coated with the marinade very well. Now you will have to marinate this for at least 3 to 10 hours. I have marinated this for 5 hours in the refrigerator. That has done the task well. Cover the dish with a cling wrap and let it sit in the refrigerator for as much as time it is possible. I have here marinated, as I said, for 5 hours. Now it's time to fry the chicken pieces lightly on both sides. Pour some oil into a hot pan and let's fry the chicken pieces one by one. I have fried these in 2 batches. Turn over to the next side when one side is done. These chicken pieces have been frying for 4 minutes on each side. Now you can take it off the oil. Now we need to fry the second batch of the chicken pieces as well in a similar way. Once done, let's drain all the chicken pieces well. Into another clean pan, you can pour the remaining oil of the fried chicken and let's saute some scallions, some red onions. If you have white, you can use that, and then some ginger pieces for that extra flavor. This is optional, and I have put it from my side because I love the flavor of ginger. Saute this until the onions are translucent and slightly brown. Then you may add the fried chicken pieces to it, followed by the marinade. Let's add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder for that extra flavor of garlic, and some water as well so that the chicken pieces will cook well in these sauces. And finally, when the sauce has thickened, we can take it off the flame. Allow the chicken pieces to boil and then simmer it. In between, open up and turn the chicken pieces to the other side so that all the sides will be evenly coated with the sauces. Don't forget to check the sauce for correctness of salt and vinegar. Now the chicken pieces have cooked well and the sauce has thickened, so let's plate this lovely dish. So the chicken adobo is ready here. Let's plate the chicken pieces first, and over the chicken pieces we can pour the thickened sauce. So you have the piping hot chicken adobo ready to be consumed. This goes well with white rice, plain white rice, and it's really yummy. I have tried it myself. It was super delicious. I recommend this to all of you who are watching. It's simply delicious. Try out this new dish, and I'm sure you will never regret this. Thank you for watching Sarah's Herbs and Spices. Let's meet with another dish very soon.